Commercial hood dishwasher operation guide. First, connect to the power supply. Connect to the water supply valve. Connect detergent and rinse aid. Press and hold for 3 seconds to power on. Wait until the tank is full. After the washing temperature reaches the set value, place the rack, dish basket, and soiled tableware in sequence. Wait for 1 minute. A prompt will be displayed here after washing is completed. Finally, open the machine cover. The tableware will be spotlessly clean after washing.